Hey, what's up everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching in. This is Sanket and you're watching the Techno Drift. Now, if you're looking for smart displays in the market today, there are only two options: Amazon's Echo Show and Google's Nest Hub. Both are very capable smart displays with Echo Show running Alexa and Nest Hub running Google Assistant. So in today's video, we'll clear out your confusion on whether you should make Alexa or Google your own personal assistant. But wait, before going to the video, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it so you don't miss out on our future videos. And for all those who understand Hindi, we also have a Hindi channel in which we discuss informational tech topics, so make sure you subscribe to that channel also. Links in the description below. And then what? Let's ask Google. Hey Google, then what?
Sit back, relax, buckle up and enjoy the video.
Okay, so we'll divide this video into 6 major categories that people will use the most in their smart displays: music, video, smart home, communication, photo frame, and some basic info. And at the last, we'll also have some fun by talking to both of them in Hindi, so stick to the end of the video. Starting off with the music services, there are some similarities like Spotify, Hungama Music, and JioSaavn is common in both of them. But in the Echo, you get Amazon Music, Apple Podcast, and TuneIn. But in the Nest Hub, you get YouTube Music, Gaana, and Wynk Music. Both the devices support Bluetooth music playback through your smartphone, and they can also connect to your big speakers through Bluetooth. But Echo has an advantage here. It also has a 3.5mm jack. Now when it comes to speakers, both the speakers are pretty loud enough. But according to our testing, we find out that Echo Show was a little bit louder and bass heavy, while Nest Hub focused more on sound clarity.
Alexa, play Expanding Song in Spotify.
Expanding by Elliptic from Spotify.
Alexa, stop. Hey Google, play Expanding Song.
Expanding by Elliptic Show, playing on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, stop.
When it comes to watching videos, you get the support of YouTube and Netflix on the Nest Hub, while Echo supports Prime Video and Netflix. You can open YouTube on Echo, but it opens in a browser and it's not so convenient. And talking about screen quality, this is a 480p screen on the 5.5-inch screen of the Echo Show, while the Nest Hub 7-inch screen is also below 720p. But it still looks bright, colorful, and crisp for watching videos. One thing I'll also point out is that the touch responsiveness is slightly better in the Nest Hub when compared to the Echo Show. Well, if you want, then you can also get the Echo Show 8 with a bigger 18-inch screen and an HD resolution. Well, coming to smart home functionalities, you pretty much can control all smart devices, be it smart lights, smart plugs, smart cameras, and many more. Well, there are many smart devices available in the market today, and most of them are compatible with both Google Assistant and Alexa. So the choice is yours.
Hey Google, turn off the lights. Hey Google, turn on the lights. Hey Google, make the brightness to 50%. Hey Google, change the color to white. Alexa, turn on Philips light.
Okay.
Alexa, change Philips light color to red.
Okay.
Hey Google, turn on smart plug.
Okay, turning on the smart plug.
Hey Google, turn off the smart plug.
Alright, turning the smart plug off.
Alexa, turn on the smart plug.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the smart plug.
Okay.
Well, one additional feature which should be used is the routines. Now, routines is a series of actions that can be triggered with only a single command. Let me show you. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. Today is Saturday, March 6th. Right now in Cuttack, it's 27 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. Throughout the night you can expect more of the same, with a low of 21 degrees. Right now, traffic on your commute looks pretty clear. The fastest route takes about 6 minutes via Sector 7 Road and Sector 9 Road. Here's your news. From NDTV News, latest news.
Alexa,
job for COVID.
stop. Well, these routines are available both on Alexa and the Google Assistant. Well, both of these also support customized routines, meaning I can set what will they say when I say a particular phrase, such as Alexa, then what?
Sit back, relax, buckle up and enjoy the video.
Hey Google, start streaming camera.
Got it, streaming the Realm Smart Cam on office display.
Hey Google, stop. Alexa, stream camera.
क्या आपका मतलब Realme Smart Cam था?
Yes.
ठीक है.
Alexa, stop.
Well, one thing to note is that we faced a lot of problems while connecting the Realme security camera with Alexa, but in the Echo Show there was only a delay of 1 second, but in the Nest Hub there was a delay of around 3 to 4 seconds for presenting the live view. Talking about communication, the Echo Show has two mics placed on the top, a 1 megapixel camera, a mute button, volume rockers, and a shutter for closing the camera. Whereas on the other hand, the Nest Hub has two mics on the bezel and an ambient light sensor. There is also a mute button on the back, but sadly no camera. You can do audio and video calls on the Echo Show if you have another Echo device, Alexa app on the phone, or through Skype. But in the Nest Hub, you can do only audio calls through Google Duo and Zoom. Alexa, call Aditya Technodrift on Skype.
Calling Aditya Technodrift's mobile using Skype to phone.
Hey Google, Go home. Call Aditya Technodrift on Google Duo.
Making an audio call to Aditya Technodrift on Duo.
Echo has certain advantages such as a drop-in feature where you can instantly connect with other Echo devices and talk in real time, while the Nest Hub misses it. Well, if you have other companion devices, you can also use an announce feature which will broadcast your messages to all other devices, and this is available in both the Nest Hub and the Echo Show. Well, these smart displays are also very good digital photo frame, and the Echo supports photos through Facebook account, while the Nest Hub supports photos through Facebook and Google Photos. Now, one of the main work of a smart assistant is to give basic information. Now here, the Nest Hub takes on the clear lead because it has Google search. The Echo Show, on the other hand, can only answer to the pre-built questions and cannot search any random information. Alexa, what is Article 19 of Indian Constitution?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Hey Google, what is Article 19 of Indian Constitution?
According to Wikipedia, the Constitution of India provides the right of freedom, given in
Hey
Article
Google.
19 with the...
Stop. Alexa, who is Joe Biden?
According to Wikipedia, Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. is an American politician and retired
Alexa,
attorney serving.
stop. Hey Google, who is Joe Biden?
According to Wikipedia, Joseph Robinette Biden Jr. is an American politician
Hey
and
Google.
retired attorney.
Stop. Now it's time for some extra features. Now the Echo is a great device if you use the Amazon shopping app more. Like, you can literally add products to your cart through the help of the display. But you can't order it them. Alexa, add iPhone 12 to my shopping cart.
One moment. Sure. I've added a choice for iPhone 12. It's 83,400 rupees. Visit your cart to review product details or make changes before checkout.
Now the Echo Show also has whisper detection. Like, if you whisper any question to Alexa, then Alexa will also whisper you back. But the Nest Hub doesn't support it. Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in Cuttack it's 33 degrees Celsius with sun and haze. Tonight, you can expect haze with a low of 21 degrees.
Now the Nest Hub has Google Maps support, but the Echo doesn't. Now the Echo can only tell you about the traffic condition, but it doesn't show any map. Alexa, how's the traffic to work?
At the moment, traffic to work looks good. The fastest route takes about 6 minutes via
Alexa,
Sector
stop.
7 road.
Hey Google, navigate to Bhubaneswar.
You can see the full directions on your phone.
Coming to pricing, the Echo Show 5 cost 5,999 INR, while the Echo Show 8 cost 8,999, and the Nest Hub cost 7,999 INR in India. Now it's time for some fun. Now both the Google Assistant and Alexa can respond to Hindi. They can do all normal things that you ask them in Hindi, but Alexa gives some funny and witty replies. Alexa, ring ring गाना बजाओ Spotify में.
Spotify से एमिवे बंटाई का गाना रिंग रिंग.
Alexa, stop. Hey Google, रिंग रिंग गाना बजाओ YouTube Music पे.
Ring Ring by Emiwe Bantai show, playing on YouTube Music.
Hey Google, stop. Alexa, कैसी हो?
सुबह से जरा मजाकिया महसूस कर रही हूँ, तो मौके पे चौका मार के कुछ मजेदार कहानियाँ लिख रही हूँ। उन्हें सुनने के लिए कहिए, एक फनी स्टोरी सुनाओ।
हे गूगल, तुम कैसी हो?
Playing Hello Darling तुम कैसे हो? HD घर घर की कहानी सॉन्ग
हे
on
गूगल,
YouTube.
स्टॉप। एलेक्सा, जोर से बोलो।
जय माता दी।
हे गूगल, जोर से बोलो। एलेक्सा, रैप करो।
अखे जहाँ की मैंने चाहते बटोरी, चाहतों की चाबियों से नई राहें खोली। खोली किताबों में बसी एक पहेली, मैं थोड़ी सी हटेली पर दोस्त सहेली। मैं क्लाउड में है घर पर पाँव है जमीन पे, मुझसे पूछो कुछ भी पूछो जोर से यकीन से।
हे गूगल, रैप करो।
Playing rap Karo Andaz Main, Baba Sehgal, only for true rap lovers.
हे
on
गूगल,
YouTube.
स्टॉप। एलेक्सा, रसोड़े में कौन था?
राशि बेन होगी, पर यह मैं आपको नहीं बता पाऊंगी कि उन्होंने कुकर से चने निकालकर खाली कुकर गैस पर क्यों चढ़ाया।
हे गूगल, रसोड़े में कौन था?
Playing Risod Me कौन था song, Kokila Ben, Yashraj Mukhate, on YouTube.
Now that was all for this video. Now I think Alexa is good when you speak to her in Hindi. Plus you also get a front facing camera for video calls. But the Nest Hub has Google search and YouTube. So if you use that more, then Nest Hub is for you. And if you want Google search, YouTube plus a front facing camera, then you can also check out Lenovo Smart Displays. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are searching for smart displays. Now if you have got any questions regarding both these devices, feel free to comment below and we'll definitely reply. Also, if you want to get in touch with us, then do follow us on all our social media handles. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.